Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a delicious and healthy burger recipe. That's a veggie burger recipe, and let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are some burger buns, boiled and mashed potatoes. These are the soya granules that are soaked and rinsed in water. Some mushrooms that are chopped, lettuce, avocado, some chopped green chilies, some cilantro, ketchup, breadcrumbs, sliced onions, a tablespoon of maida or all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour, some chili flakes. These are the chopped onions, some salt to taste, pepper. This is the chaat masala, some pink Himalayan salt, some tandoori masala, a little bit of oil, some cheese slices. These are the Swiss cheese slices, but you can use the cheddar cheese as well, and some breadcrumbs. So I'll be using some grilled onions in our burger instead of the raw onions. So I'm going to grill some onions and mushrooms first. Now we're going to heat our pan and add very little oil. Not a lot of oil because we want to actually grill it. However, I'm using a little bit of oil. And now I'm going to add our chopped onions and our mushrooms. Just saute these till they are slightly brown. Our mushrooms and onions are grilling and you can see they're slightly brown. I'm just going to give it a couple more minutes, and I'm now going to add a little bit of salt just for seasoning. And toss everything together. So our onions and mushrooms are ready, and I'm just going to transfer it in this bowl. So our mushrooms and onions have caramelized, and you can eat these like a side dish as it is, or use it in our burgers. So right now I'm going to put it in our burgers to enhance the flavor of our burger. So now I'm going to make our patties for our burger, and these are the mashed potatoes. I'm going to add the chopped green chilies, onions. Onions are optional, but it's going to give a nice crunch to our patty. These are the soya granules because it's a veggie patty. I'm going to transfer this entire mixture into a bigger bowl so it's easier to mix everything. Now to this I'm going to add some cilantro. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt and the pink Himalayan salt. I've also added the chili flakes, black pepper, some chaat masala. Chaat masala is going to give a very delicious flavor, and a little bit of the tandoori masala. And now I'm going to add the breadcrumbs to this, the entire thing, and mix everything together. We've mixed everything together, and now we are going to take some portion and make round balls from these. Now we're going to make a mix out of this cornstarch and maida and make a slurry and the maida. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water to make a slurry, and this should not be too thin, neither too thick. Make a paste out of these because we're going to dip our patties in this paste and then fry. So now let's take some portion of this mixture that we just made and make round balls like these and just flatten it a little bit. Okay, once you flatten this, just roll it on the breadcrumbs. And then just dip it here in our cornstarch and maida mixture. And once again roll it. Okay, so now I've rolled this here in our breadcrumbs again, and our patty is ready, and just flatten it a little more. And now we're going to work on our second one. And our patties are now ready, and we're going to deep fry this. Feel free to shallow fry if you wish to, but I'm going to just deep fry it. Now let's fry our patties. The oil is hot enough. And just fry it till it's golden brown. Now we're going to grill our burgers and our patty. We're going to melt the cheese. So I'm just going to place our patties here. Also our burgers. We're just going to warm it up a little bit, and on our patties we're going to put our cheese slices just to melt the cheese a little bit. Just going to take these out. We're just going to warm it. I'm just going to cover this with a lid for about 30 seconds to 1 minute so our cheese melts, and then assemble our burger. Now we're going to assemble a delicious veggie burger, and for that I have all these ingredients here. The first thing I'm going to do is to put some lettuce leaves. Now since my burger buns are a little small, so I have just torn our lettuce leaves into smaller pieces instead of having a large piece. So add some lettuce leaves here. Okay, a smaller one. Alright, now after adding the lettuce leaves, I'm going to add some chopped avocados. These are not only healthy but delicious. They're going to give a very delicious flavor to our burgers. And now I'm going to add our patties to this with our melted cheese. And then I'm going to add our grilled onions and mushrooms. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup, just drizzle it. And then just cover it. And now our burgers are ready, and I'm going to serve it. Now these are a delicious veggie burgers, and I'm serving it with some jalapeno chips. And doesn't it look so attractive, and it's super delicious as well? I hope you enjoyed this burger recipe, and if you did, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications of the videos that I post. And thanks for watching my video. Till next time, bye bye.